There are many ways to install an app, like LibreOffice, on a Linux distro and several different ways they can be packaged. They can be installed through a software manager, like Ubuntu software. There are traditional debs and RPMs that can be downloaded. Snaps and Flatpaks are packages that can be installed and run universally on any distro. There is, however, another package that can run on any Linux distro, but it does not need to be installed. It is known as AppImage, and the idea behind it is that one app equals one file. Apps packaged this way can be put on an external drive and taken from computer to computer. This is because app images contain an app and every file needed to run the app without drawing from an operating system's resources. This video will demonstrate downloading LibreOffice as an app image and running it on several different distros. The LibreOffice app image can be downloaded from this website. There are several versions available to download. Several other popular apps for Linux, such as Inkscape, also have the app image version of the app on their websites. Before clicking one of the download buttons, you may want to change the download location in your web browser. I will set up Firefox to download to an external drive, so I can take LibreOffice from computer to computer. Firefox is the most popular web browser for Linux distros. Changing the download location for other browsers, such as Chrome or Opera, is slightly different, but similar to Firefox. In Firefox, click the three bars on the right side of the window. In the menu that appears, click on Settings. It will open in a new tab. In the Settings tab, scroll down to the Files and Applications section. Click the Browse button. In the window that appears, select a folder. If you are going to download to an external drive, there will often be a link to it in the left column, like in Ubuntu. Click the Open button. The button may be called something else in another operating system. Return to the web browser tab for LibreOffice AppImage. Click the desired download button. I will choose Download Fresh under Basic. In Firefox, a dialog appears. Click Save File. LibreOffice will be downloaded to the external drive that was just selected. In the Ubuntu desktop, I will open the file system. Then I will select the folder where LibreOffice is downloaded to. To launch it and run it, simply double-click it. Start using the app. Now let's look at LibreOffice AppImage in Fedora. As with Ubuntu, simply double-click the icon. In Manjaro, there are a few more steps than the other two distros covered. Double-click the LibreOffice app to run it. A dialog appears with an Execute button and a Cancel button. Click Execute. Next, another dialog appears asking if you want to integrate the app into your system or run it once. The dialog explains where it will be moved if you integrate it. For this video, I will click the Run Once button. Now LibreOffice is launched. This video has been about downloading the LibreOffice AppImage and showing that an app image can be run on any Linux distro. App images do not need to be installed. They can be put on an external drive and taken from computer to computer. This video is available at several locations. It is available at oscollege.com, along with other videos, articles and other information about various Linux distros and Office applications. It is available at several social media sites, including the OS College Facebook and MeWe pages. It is also available at the OS College YouTube channel. If you are watching on YouTube, be sure to click subscribe and like to receive notifications of future videos. There are links to web pages about app images. The web pages for different distros shown in this video. The page to download the LibreOffice AppImage. And the OS College web page about app images and the social media posts for this video. And the description for it in YouTube. Thank you for watching.